Hi everyone, welcome to Mac Show. I'm Mac, a visual arts teacher at Minghu Junior High School. Today, I've invited my friend Miss Yaya, one of the coolest people I know.
Hello everyone, I'm Miss Yaya. I'm very excited to be here today.
Today, Miss Yaya is here to share a special story. She worked as a volunteer in Taiwan's friend country, Saint Lucia. Miss Yaya, could you introduce Saint Lucia to us?
Sure. St. Lucia is a small island country in the Caribbean Sea. It looks a lot like Taiwan, but it's much smaller, only 616 square kilometers.
Wow, it's much smaller than New Taipei City.
Yeah, and it's on the other side of the world from Taiwan. So when it's 9 a.m. in Taiwan, it's 9 p.m. in St. Lucia. Taiwanese might not know much about St. Lucia, but it is very popular with Europeans and Americans. They visit a lot, especially for honeymoons, because it's very beautiful. Taiwan and St. Lucia work together on things like education, health, and farming. So I work as a public health volunteer in St. Lucia.
Then, what did you do as a public health volunteer in St. Lucia?
My job was to help people learn how to stay healthy, especially to prevent and manage diabetes. At first, I gave talks, but then I realized that it wasn't enough. So I started teaching exercise classes and even planned a weight loss competition.
Oh, I know that. I saw you on the TV news.
I'll get them interested, yes. Okay.
I would like to lose some weight. I don't know, maybe because of the type of food we eat, maybe. Because everybody wants to eat fast food now.
It was St. Lucia's first weight loss competition. It was a big news.
Was there any challenges when you planned the weight loss competition?
People in St. Lucia thought that being bigger was beautiful, so there was a big problem. They didn't think they needed to lose weight. If you asked them to lose weight, they would say, I'm not fat, I'm beautiful.
That's really different from how people think about beauty in Asia. In Taiwan, many people like being thin, but being too thin can cause mental and physical health problems too.
Yes, if I suggested a weight gain competition in Taiwan, I don't think anyone would join it.
Oh, I'm sure no one would join. That's a funny example.
In St. Lucia, people see beauty in all shapes and sizes. It's a good thing. They are very confident. But it's also important to stay healthy.
If any beauty standard is hurting your health, maybe you need to make some changes. Health is always the key to a happy life. Okay, the last question. How good does my English need to be if I want to go abroad?
Oh, many people ask me the same question. St. Lucian's English sounds different from the American English we learn in Taiwan because it was once a British colony. For example, in St. Lucia, we don't say grass, we say grass. We don't say gas, we say gas. And they also have their own accent, which was really hard for me to understand at first.
Did you mean even American cannot understand St. Lucia English?
Yeah, some American volunteers told me that they also have problems understanding the local people. They even started to wonder if they really knew English. During my 2 years in St. Lucia, I realized that language isn't the biggest problem. What matters is wanting to talk.
So, it's just like in school. Most of the time I use Chinese in my class, but the students still don't understand. For example, they always act like they don't understand. 安静，不要再讲话了。
Yeah, that's true. So the most important thing is to have an open mind. Be curious to learn and be brave.
Even if you're not perfect, you're learning and growing. Now it's time to say goodbye. Thank you so much, Miss Yaya, for sharing your special experience with us today. It makes me really curious about how beautiful the country is.
Saint Lucia we love Mama, Saint Lucia we love Papa, Saint Lucia we love all together. Saint Lucia we love Saint Lucia get Mama, Papa, shout it out loud. Tell them